Okay, guys, Mr. O back. We're going to do a systems of equations using elimination. First thing we need to do is after we've gotten all of our terms into columns, which notice all the x's are in the first, all the y's are in the middle, and then our totals are in the right-hand column. We need to get our coefficients so that, or at least one set, so that they have the same number but different signs. And right now, the y terms, positive 5, negative 5, are doing that for us. So since that's already set up, add your equations. And that results in 8x equaling 8 because the y's cancel. And then this simply is we divide by 8 on both sides, and we are left with x equals 1. And that tells us that we want to sub 1 for x. And I usually do this into the first equation, so we're going to have 2 times 1 plus 5y equals 17. And simplify. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 5y equals 17. Subtract 2 on both sides. So we're left with 5y equals 15. Divide by 5, resulting in y equals 3. So on this next example, we have a mismatch. None of our coefficients match each other in the like terms. So what we're going to have to do is I do this. This is just a me thing. I like to find the two smallest coefficients, if there is such a thing, or at least ones that are small enough that I'm willing to work with them. And I multiply by the opposite. So with these 2 and 3 for the y, I take the 2 and I multiply it by the 3. And I take the 3 and I multiply it by a 2. Because what that will give me is both numbers will end up being 6. Now, since both are positive, I need one of them to be negative. So let's make the 2 negative. So 3 times 3 is 9x, plus 3 times 2 is 6y, finally with 1 times 3 being 3. Negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. 3y plus negative 2 is negative 6y. And negative 2 times 2 is positive 4. And now if we look at this, we see that our 6's are positive and negative. So we can now add those together, and our y terms cancel out. So we're left with x equals 7. So we're going to take that 7 and sub 7 for x. And go back to an original equation. So we're going to have 3 times 7 plus 2y equals 1. So 21 plus 2y equals 1. Subtract 21 on both sides. 2y equals negative 20. And when we divide by 2 on both sides, we find out that y equals negative 10. So good luck with this, guys. Get the examples down, write down the notes, and give the two problems I didn't go over a try. And I'll see you the next time I see you.